This is my brand new Roblox account with 0 connections, 0 followers and 0 following. And this is after getting it verified. I'm on my mobile, but it works absolutely the same for your PC too. So in less than no time, let's directly get to the point that how you can easily get verified on Roblox without any kind of followers or any requirements. So first of all, you have to open up your Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use. And after that, you have to go to roblox.com. And if you are on mobile, then you have to tap on this continue in browser button. And after logging into your account, you have to tap on this settings gear available at the top right corner of the screen and tap on help and safety. From here, you have to go into help center. And here the very first link is I need help with my account. So you gotta tap onto that. And from this page, you have to select my account was hacked. What do I do? And after being redirected to this article, you have to scroll down to the end. And from here, you have to select need more help, contact support here. And now after being redirected to this contact us page, you have to type in your username, your first name, your email address and your email address again. And from here, you have to select the device from which you are contacting the support. For example, I am on iPhone, so I'm gonna select that. Next, you have to select the category. The very first option in this list is account hacked or can't log in. And in the subcategory, you can select account hacked. And after that, this is the main course of the video here. You have to write exactly the same thing I'm writing, otherwise it's not gonna work. So you have to write here, hi Roblox team, I create Roblox related content and actively engage with my community through my account. I would like to request verification for my Roblox profile to show that it is authentic and trusted. Please let me know if anything else is needed. And after filling all of this form, you have to press this continue button and just wait for 24 to 48 hours and Roblox team will verify your account and you'll be informed via the email address that you will provide here. Thank you so much.